What is going on, wonderful piano enthusiasts? Jim here from Grassroots Piano. Today we're going to be looking at exercise number 3. This video is for newer learners getting into this, so I'm going to prepare the video lesson right hand, left hand, hand separate, and then make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, because I am going to be releasing in a few days from now both hands. And because I have over 11,000 subscribers, I am going to throw in this free PDF. It's not much, but it's a huge thank you. I'm glad I'm providing value for everybody. Let's start with the right hand. We're in the key of C, and we're going to go ahead and have the pattern from middle C on my keyboard, by the way. From the pattern here, it goes up a sixth. So we're really focusing on that 1 to that 5th finger. I'll demonstrate slowly, and in this case, if you see the PDF, I'm playing them in 8th notes, but I'm going to go nice and slow. 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, and now to the D, up a sixth. And that's the sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go slower. 1 and 2 and 3. Listen to each note. Make sure you're pressing each key the same. 1. Usually that pinky's a little weaker. Using arm weight. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. And now we go back down, and I have it written as a whole note. And then going back down, we're going to move our hand to the B, and then it goes up a sixth. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 finger on the F. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Doing some good quality practice. 3 and 4 and 1, 2. All right, here we go. Left hand. A few little tips here. 1, if your left hand needs a bit more work, start off with the left hand, then do the right, and then go back to the left hand. Other quality practice tips: go slow. We're not in a race with anyone. We'll improve faster if we go slower. It gives our brain a chance to digest. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate left hand, and this is the low C. Again, that was our middle C, so I'm down here. We have our 5 and then our 1 finger. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Avoid flat hands. 3, 4, 1. Don't forget, YouTube has that feature where you can slow things down. 3, 4, 1. Whoops. 1, it's okay. 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now back down with the B. 1. A lot of ledger lines here. I have some of the notes written in, and you can see the coloring on the screen. I show the notes. And F. And E. If you're getting value out of my videos, please hit that thumbs up button. It's like a tip jar. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, almost there. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. If you're able to play it slow and calmly like that and focus on a few things with posture, arm weight, you're doing great. The other thing is I'm simply reading it, so that's a good skill too. So my hands are feeling the keyboard. I feel confident where the notes are going. That will help you with some basic reading skills. All right, so let me know how you're doing, and soon, in 2 or 3 days, I will be posting the same exercise with both hands, and I'm going to try it at a few different tempos. I wish everyone well. Keep practicing. Bye for now. All right, all done.